Welcome, welcome, welcome. I say welcome, 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 welcome to Seat of Wisdom Tutor TV. So this will be the concluding part of quadratic equation. So today we'll be looking at construction of quadratic equation with given roots. But first thing I would like to establish is that what do we mean by roots of equation? So we are talking about root of equation. Root of equation is a value get after an equation had been solved. After you have solved the equation, the final answer you get from the equation, that is what we mean by the roots of equation. But today, we now be making use of that root to construct, to find the equation that will get the answer. Though this type of construction, we have two methods of approach to solve, but for the sake of today's class, I will be taking vividly one method. Yes, I will be taking vividly one method. We have only two problems on the board. Though mathematics we call it problems, so we are meant to solve problems. So two problems, two equations, two quiz, two questions, anyone you like to call it. So the one says find a quadratic equation in x whose roots are -3/2 and 7. -3/2 and 7. You know, this type of method is so simple. You just need to understand the concept and the idea. And I believe that it's like, you know, about 2 to 3, yes, 2 to 3 steps you have to take, and then you have to find that answer. Let's look at it. -3/2 and what? And 7. Yeah, and 7. The thing we have to do here is that subtract x from both values, from both given roots, like x minus open bracket -3/2. So you get, you now put plus x minus 7. So everything is equal to 0. Do you get it? Everything was equal to 0. Okay? Okay. Oh, pardon me. You don't put plus. You can say x minus 3 equal to 0 and this one. But at the same time, you can still have that x minus 3/2, x minus 7, everything equal to 0. We still have the same thing. So the next thing to do here, you believe that the first step we do is what? We subtract minus from both sides. So after that, let's see, minus times minus, we now have x plus 3/2 and then x minus 7. Everything equal to 0. What will be the next thing? The next thing is to do what? To expand. Yes, to expand. And what do I mean by to expand? What I mean is that you use all the value that is here, I mean numerator, to multiply all the value that is here. That is what it simply means by expand. So let's start. X times x is what? X squared. X times -7, we have what? -7x. Do you get it? So this time around now, you are taking 3 now. 3 times x, that is what? Plus 3x, but this numerator will reflect over 2. Do you get it? So plus times minus is what? Is minus. I'll still have what? 3 times 7 is what? Is 21. This 2 is still what? Will still reflect, equal to 0. So when you get to this point, when you get to this junction, don't say you are looking for the LCM of these two. No. Don't say that, okay, let me multiply. No. But what you will do is that multiply all through by 2. If you look at it, you have 2 here, we still have 2 here. But you may still want to ask that, Master, what if you don't have, okay, we have 2 different values as our denominator, like we have 2 and 4. Yes, just take note of the LCM of them. the SCM of 2 and 4 is 4. Then you now multiply all 2 by 4. But here, the SCM of these two values is what? Is 2. Multiply all 2 by 2. So we have 2 in bracket of x squared minus 2 in bracket of 7x plus 2 in bracket of 3x over 2. And then minus 2 in bracket of what? 21 over 2. Everything equal to 0. If you still multiply this one by 2, so you get, pardon me, let me bracket it like this. So we have 2 times x squared, we have 2x squared minus 2 times 7x, we have what? 14x. So these 2, we cancel this, so we have plus 3x. Then these 2 also we cancel this, we have what? Minus 21 equal to 0, because 0 times 2 is what? Is 0. So therefore, we now have what? By the time we do addition, we are left with 2x squared minus 14x plus 3x. You give us what? Yes, do you know it? What's the answer? The answer is minus 11x. The reason why I ask this question is that, you know, many students just be like, okay, minus 14x plus 3x, okay, is it not 17x? No, it's not 17x. Okay, it's not plus 11x. No, it's minus 11x. You have to be what? To be cognizant of your minus, of your signs. You have to be very, very careful. So minus 14x plus 3x is what? Is minus 11x. So we have what? Minus 11x. Then minus 21 equal to 0. That is your final answer. We have known the equation of the given root. We have found a quadratic equation of the given root. That is that. It's so simple, not stressful. Just get the logic and the strategy to approach. So let's quickly solve the second question and we'll call it a day. Yes, quiz number 2. Quiz number 2 says we should construct a quadratic equation given that the roots are minus 5 and x equal to minus 2. The way we do the other time, that we have, let's say, okay, subtract from both sides, that is x from both sides, x minus, don't forget that this one is what? It's minus 5. Open bracket, minus 5, close the bracket, equal to 0. Then another, this one is what? X minus, open bracket, minus 2 over 9 equal to 0. Do you get it? Yes. Let's open the bracket. Minus times minus. We have what? We have x plus 5 equal to 0. And then we have x plus 2 over 9 equal to 0. So let's expand. We combine it here. We have x plus 5, x plus 2 over 9. Yes. And then equal to 0. After we get to this place, the next thing to do is to expand. Yes, if you want to expand x times x, we have x squared. X times 2, we have 2x. So that might be 2x, that is plus 2x over 9. Don't say x times 2, 2x, x times 9, 9x. No, you are wrong. Just put it like this. Then plus 5 times x, 5x, plus times plus is plus. 5 times 2 is what? 10 over 9 equal to 0. Yes, you still see that we have the same 9. We have the same denominator. 9, 9. So just say multiply all 2 by 9. So we have 9 into bracket of x squared plus 9 into bracket of 2x over 9 plus 5x multiplied by 9 plus 10 over 9 multiplied by 9 equal to 0 multiplied by 9. Pardon me. So from here now, 9 times x squared, we have what? 9x squared. This 9 we cancel this, we are left with plus 2x, then plus 5x. Okay, 5x times 9. We have what? 5x times 9 is what? 45x. This one cancel out, plus 10 equal to 0, because 0 times 9 is what? Is 0. Is 0. So the final answer, by the time you add this, you now have 9x squared plus 9x plus sorry, 9x squared plus 2x plus 45, that's 47x plus 10 equal to 0. That is the equation of the given roots. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate you guys. Thanks for your support. So I would still like to take a little of the time. Please just go show them, like, subscribe, and help us to share this to your loved one. And if you have any of your friends that is in need of tutor, you can contact me on my Gmail at my Gmail, that is Oluwafemi or my WhatsApp number +234 8130 47 62 04. Thanks for watching. See you next time.